Meaning of enrapture.
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 Enrapture. The word enrapture means to fill someone with intense pleasure or delight. When someone is enraptured, they are completely caught up in a moment of joy or amazement, and their emotions are fully engaged. This experience can come from a wide variety of sources, including art, music, nature, or personal relationships. Enrapture is a powerful feeling that can overwhelm a person's senses and leave them feeling uplifted and inspired. It is a rare and precious state that many people seek out in their lives as a source of strength and joy.